name is Prem Kumar. I am from Micro Technology Enterprises. So basically, we are in the field of metrology. We do sales, service, and calibration of our metrology equipments. Basically, we trade the machines from Switzerland or from Singapore, Taiwan, all these places. And these are the products what we use for the quality department and for the industries. So we use these instruments for measuring the components which they manufacture. This is basically on automobile industries or from any other type of industries can use these instruments actually. So apart from this, we basically from Chennai, and we have counter partners here in Hyderabad, and we do the sales and service in Hyderabad. This is our pattern. Thank you.